Just a quick recap. We've done our home inspection, we've negotiated for any repairs or credits. Also, we've signed off on the seller disclosures and everything looks good. Appraisal came back at value. Congratulations, you're approved for a loan. An underwriter has signed off on any conditions that have taken place. Now what? Now the seller is going to ask you to remove all contingencies. So what does that mean? That means that if you sign this, you're 100% ready to purchase this home. This is 14 to 17 days in escrow. This is where the seller feels comfortable packing up their stuff and moving on to the next chapter. What happens if you were to back out after you've removed these contingencies? Well, remember that earnest money deposit? That now becomes vulnerable as damages to the seller. Remember though, it does not passively remove, so we'll have that conversation to remove these contingencies once we're all ready to go. Congratulations, within the next 10 to 14 days, you'll be officially a homeowner depending on the escrow time period that we've offered. So what's next? The final walkthrough, and I'll get into that on the next video.